I created a whole web app using AI without writing a single line of code. Hi, I am Samakaswa, and yes, you heard it right. I created a fully functional, ready to use, ready to deploy web app using AI. I just wrote some prompts, and if you're wondering, if you are thinking if it is possible or not, then let me clear it out. It is possible. I have done it using AI, and you can do it too without knowing a single line of code. And I don't know you need to be scared about it or you need to be happy about it. You decide it yourself. But yes, the reality is now AI tools are so advanced and so smart, and only thing you need to know is how to write a prompt, how to share your idea with the AI tools so that they can generate anything, whatever you want, whatever feature you want. It's not only about adding a feature in your websites or talking about some answers and solutions or debugging your codes. It's about creating a whole web app, whole software from scratch just by writing a prompt. Of course, I'll share with you how I did it, but before that, let me show you what's the website look like. And here it is. This is something like you can upload your pictures and model pictures in which attire you want to see yourself, and then when you will click on generate, then it will generate a pictures of yours. And look at the UI, isn't it great? So the important thing is I haven't written a single line of code. Everything was done by the AI. I just wrote some prompt in a clear way, of course. And to be honest, I didn't even write a prompt by myself. I made ChatGPT to write it for me. I just had an idea in my mind, and here you can see what I have got. Actually, this video is not about the idea or the software I generated or I created using AI. It's about the AI tool, how an AI tool is working. I recently knew about this AI tool and I was like, I'm gonna try it, and I did, and it worked in a crazy way. So I thought like I couldn't stop myself to share this with you guys. So be with me till the end so that I'll be able to show you guys that how it works. And also do subscribe my channel if you are new here. Let's go. And that magical thing I was talking about is Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor built on top of VS Code, and it helps you to write code faster, understand large code base, debug and refactor using AI, chat with your project context included, edit whole files with prompt, and very important, it can generate code from instructions, and it can change multiple files at once, and it is useful for React, Django, Python, Next.js, and most common stacks. So it's basically for a developer who wants an editor with built-in AI coding help. So it was a short intro. Now let me show you how you actually can use it. Till now you have understood that this is an IDE. So first you have to install it on your device. Downloading Cursor is very easy. Just go to its website and download it, as you can see on your screen. After doing this, do the initial setup. And now I'll show you what I did from the idea generation to developing a software. First, what I did is, as I said, I used ChatGPT write a prompt for me. So I opened ChatGPT and typed something like this. I want to build a web app named Modally. As you can see on the screen, I've written it in very simple ways. And also what we can do is we can also ask for the idea for the web app or mobile application or whatever one we want to build to the ChatGPT itself. But in my case, I just gave it like I want to build a web app named Modally, and it should have this feature, uploading image and combining the image features. And then hit enter, and here you. And also, if you have noticed something, Nano Banana, image generation model, and all the other things like what kind of landing page we're gonna have, as well as the image upload features, the download features. So everything is written in detail, and also the tech stack is mentioned clearly, as you can see. So now what I need to do is just copy this prompt and paste it to Cursor. So let's do it. So when you will open Cursor, you will see something like this. Here you can see clone repo, where you can clone a repository from GitHub and also connect via SSH key. And you can see some of my projects here, and this is what I was talking about, Modally. And for now, I'm going to click on open projects and create a new project on desktop. After that, you'll see this. Now I'll paste it here. So let me make it bigger, and yeah, paste it. Hit enter. Now, and also you can see on the right side that all the processing are being done. So it is writing the JSON file by itself. Also you can see the new file are being created on the left side. It's gonna create everything for you, like it's gonna import every file, every required file from the internet by itself. And the best thing you can do is you can give an image reference to the AI agent and ask it to develop a website having the UI like this. You can like do whatever you want. You can change, you can generate a website or a product in any way you want. The only limit is your thinking now. You just think code will be done by the AI agent. You can see the website here. It has a header, it has a footer, it has the content, everything that is required in a fully functional website. And you can build it more powerful, you can build it more beautifully and generate a best and can get a best result out of it if you can give a nice prompt. So this was it. Do let me know in the comment section how do you like this, and if you have used this idea before, let's discuss things in comment section. With that said, I'd like to end my video here. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye bye.